How to add logo in Snapseed. So first, just simply click on your Snapseed icon right here or your Snapseed app. Now, once you're here, click on the plus icon to add photos that you want. So I have already added mine. So I'm just going to simply click on a photo that I want to use. So I'm going to use this photo. And once you have selected a photo, just simply go to tools right here and scroll down to the very bottom till you see the creative section right there. And you will see the double exposure under that. So click on double exposure or tap on it. Now, once you're here, click on the image icon here at the bottom with the plus sign, then select your logo. Just like that, then click on the other button beside it where you can set the type of filter that you want. So you could go with default, you could go with lighten, darken, or just simply add, just like that. So I'm going to use this add option right here. And you could also adjust the opacity if you want, just like so. So I'm going to adjust it just like that and move it right there. And maybe put it like that in the middle. Adjust the opacity once more, and that should be good. Once you're done editing it out, just click or tap on the check mark icon here on the bottom right. And as you can see, you're now good to go. And that is how you basically add a logo in Snapseed.